Best foldable phones. I've tested a bunch of foldable phones to help you find the right one, so you don't waste your hard-earned cash. From usability to performance, I'm here to share my honest thoughts and experiences on the top 5 best foldable phones currently available. Let's dive in. Product number 1 is the Motorola Razr 2024. The Motorola Razr 2024 is a delightful mix of nostalgia and modern tech. When I first unboxed it, the iconic flip design immediately brought back memories of the original Razr. The device is compact, fitting snugly in my palm, and the beach sand color with soft vegan leather gives it a chic yet durable feel. The front 3.6-inch external display is 2.4 times larger than its predecessor, allowing me to interact with notifications, respond to texts, and even take calls without flipping it open. It's a game changer for multitasking. One of my favorite features is the Flex View mode, which allows me to use the phone like a mini camcorder or a personal photo booth. The 50MP camera system captures stunning photos even in low light, and the AI enhancements really make a difference in quality. I was able to take ultra-smooth videos while on the move, which is a huge plus for someone like me who loves documenting life on the go. Product number 2, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a powerhouse. As soon as I opened the box, I was struck by its sleek design and premium feel. The 8-inch main display is a sight to behold, allowing for multitasking like never before. I could open 3 windows simultaneously without any lag, making it easy to work on documents, check emails, and even watch a video all at once. The camera quality is off the charts with a 200 megapixel sensor, which I found to be a game changer for photography enthusiasts. The images are incredibly detailed, and the Pro Visual Engine makes editing a breeze. The Snapdragon 8 Elite processor keeps everything running smoothly, and I never experienced any slowdowns, even during intense gaming sessions. Battery life is also impressive, easily lasting through a full day of heavy use. Product number 3, Google Pixel Fold. The Google Pixel Fold is a breath of fresh air in the foldable market. As someone who appreciates the power of Google's ecosystem, I was excited to see how this device would perform. Unfolding the Pixel Fold reveals a stunning 5.8-inch display that feels like magic. The compact design is impressive, allowing it to fit easily in my pocket. The Tensor G2 chip provides a smooth experience, especially with multitasking. I loved using the split screen feature to compare products while shopping online. The camera system is where this device shines. The triple rear cameras capture stunning low-light photos and vibrant selfies, making it a perfect companion for photography lovers. The hands-free mode is fantastic, allowing me to take photos without needing a tripod. Battery life is solid, lasting me through a day of casual use. However, the weight of the device can become noticeable after prolonged use, and I did miss some premium finishes found in other high-end phones. Product number 4, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 Jet Black. The Jet Black variant of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is just as impressive as its counterpart. From the moment I took it out of the box, the sleek finish and high-quality feel screamed premium. The 8-inch display is bright and vibrant, ideal for consuming media or working on the go. The multitasking capabilities are unmatched. I could easily switch between apps and manage tasks without any hurdles. The upgraded 200 megapixel camera system blew my mind. It captures photographs that rival professional cameras. The detail in every shot is jaw-dropping, which is essential for someone who enjoys immersive photography. The device's durability, thanks to its armor aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass ceramic, gave me peace of mind. The battery life is commendable. I could easily get through a full day of heavy usage without needing a charge. Product number 5, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE is an exciting addition to the foldable phone landscape. This compact device packs a punch with its 6.7-inch display and 50-megapixel camera. The Flex Mode feature is a standout, allowing me to take hands-free selfies and capture stunning content from various angles without needing a tripod. The design is stylish and fits perfectly in my hand, making it ideal for quick usage on the go. The long-lasting battery kept up with my busy schedule, and I appreciated the device's lightweight feel. However, while it's powerful for daily tasks, it may struggle under the weight of heavy gaming or multitasking demands. The camera quality is impressive, especially for social media enthusiasts looking to capture high-quality images. Each of these foldable phones brings something unique to the table. Whether you value photography, multitasking, or simply want to stand out, there's a perfect option for you. So, which one are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments.